Mastering progressive web apps. No one owns our app's crippling latency, and it's killing us. Who within our organization is responsible for developing a comprehensive strategy for implementing and optimizing content delivery networks, CDNs, and caching mechanisms to ensure the efficient and reliable delivery of our progressive web apps resources and content? The responsibility for developing a comprehensive strategy for implementing and optimizing content delivery networks, CDNs, and caching mechanisms to ensure the efficient and reliable delivery of a progressive web app's resources and content typically lies with the Web Performance Optimization Team, which is a cross-functional team consisting of representatives from various departments within the organization. The Web Performance Optimization Team should be led by a senior technical leader, such as the Director of Engineering or the Head of Front-End Development, who has expertise in web performance optimization and is responsible for overseeing the development and implementation of the CDN and caching strategy. The Web Performance Optimization Team should also include representatives from the following departments. 1. Front-End Development Team, responsible for developing the progressive web app's client-side code and ensuring that it is optimized for performance. They will work closely with the CDN provider to ensure seamless integration and optimal configuration. 2. DevOps Team, responsible for ensuring the smooth operation of the CDN and caching infrastructure, including setup, configuration, monitoring, and maintenance. They will work closely with the front-end development team to ensure that the CDN and caching infrastructure meet the requirements of the progressive web app. 3. IT Infrastructure Team, responsible for providing the necessary infrastructure to support the CDN and caching infrastructure, including servers, storage, and network resources. 4. Quality Assurance Team, responsible for testing the progressive web app to ensure that it meets the required performance standards and identifying areas for optimization. The Web Performance Optimization Team should work together to develop a comprehensive strategy for implementing and optimizing the CDN and caching infrastructure. This strategy should include 1. Conducting a thorough analysis of the progressive web app's current performance, including page load times, resource loading, and user experience. 2. Identifying the most critical resources and content that require optimization, such as images, videos, and JavaScript files. 3. Evaluating and selecting a CDN provider that meets the organization's requirements, including scalability, reliability, and security. 4. Configuring and optimizing the CDN and caching infrastructure to ensure efficient and reliable delivery of resources and content. 5. Implementing caching mechanisms, such as browser caching and service worker caching, to reduce the load on the CDN and improve page load times. 6. Monitoring and analyzing performance metrics, such as page load times, latency, and resource loading, to identify areas for optimization. 7. Continuously testing and refining the CDN and caching infrastructure to ensure that it meets the required performance standards. By having a dedicated web performance optimization team responsible for developing and implementing a comprehensive CDN and caching strategy, organizations can ensure that their progressive web apps resources and content are delivered efficiently and reliably, resulting in a better user experience and improved business outcomes.